Hi guys, Mr. Mackey here. Now yesterday I was introducing you to the final and most people say the strongest way of finding the average from a set of data. Now this is known as the mean, which was when we add all of these numbers together and then we divide it by how many numbers there are. Now the challenge I set you yesterday was to find the mean in this set, bearing in mind I included 42. And then I wanted you to find for me, from this adding of 42, a criticism that the mean could have. So let's firstly find our new mean. So we do 9 plus 6 plus 13 plus 12 plus 14 plus 11 plus 18 plus 8 plus 5 plus 42. And that will get us 138. We then divide that by 9, and that will get us 15.3. Now that is a bit of a jump from what we found yesterday when we did the mean. So from this, can we find a criticism? Well, think about it like this. There's no numbers on here apart from 42 that's higher than our average 15.33. So how can that be an average when it doesn't really match any of the other numbers in this set of data? So the criticism could be that the mean is very badly affected by extreme values like 42. So if we have an extreme value in the set which is miles higher than any of the other numbers, then that could badly affect our mean. Like here. Now what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at the mean again, and we're going to be using the mean to settle some arguments. Let's get into this a bit further. School A and School B are now arguing about science results. They did a test out of 20 and they chose their 5 best pupils and they gave them their scores. Now, which school did better in their science tests? So the scores for A were 17, 14, 8, 10 and 16. And for B, 6, 15, 19, 11 and 13. Which school did better? So this time we actually have to find the mean. So for A, we do 17, add 14, add 8, add 10, add 16, gets you 65. Divide that by 5, their average is 13 out of 20. School B, 6 plus 15 plus 19 plus 11 plus 13 gets you 64. Divide that by 5, that gets you 12.8. So School B takes the crown. They are better than School A by just 0.2, but it's still better in science. School B is a good school. I wonder if there's any jobs going. So here is your challenge, guys. The Eurovision Song Contest. I know, long time since I've mentioned that. I have 4 countries. Now these 4 countries have all been in the Eurovision Song Contest for the past 5 years, and here are the positions they've all come. So I've chosen the UK, the Netherlands, Germany and France. Now if I wanted to make a guess on which country will do better in next year's contest, which one I think is most likely to win, based on these scores, which one shall I choose? Well, how do you think we're going to do this? We might have to work out the mean score. What is the mean score? How can it help us? How can it back up our argument? So your challenge today is to figure out which country is the best running country in Eurovision in the past 5 years. Good luck, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.